Hi, I'm forever opening computers, laptops, desktops, etc. And I always need to have an electric screwdriver at hand, but not a big old bulky one, because most of the screws I deal with on these laptops and hard drives and cases, etc. are tiny screws. So I bought this gadget called a ORIA Mini Electric Screwdriver, and if I open the box, you'll see that it has the main body of the screwdriver here. You can see here. So it has 3 buttons. One is forward, one is backwards, and there's a light here as well, which is really handy. And it charges via USB cable, so you can plug it into your laptop with a USB-C cable, and it charges in no time. So just to demonstrate how this thing works, I'm going to take a hard drive, just for example, and I'm going to take the correct screwdriver end for the screws on this hard drive, put it into the screwdriver like so. So that's the screwdriver I've selected there, and then we're going to see if we can get it plugged into that screw, and if I just turn it on so you can see, and I'm going to use the unwind button, and you'll see it's completely undone the screw. It was that easy. So I'm going to put the light on as well, actually, because it's not great. So now you can see a bit better with this light. So then I'm going to put this screw back into there. If you see, it's on. Oops, I dropped it. Let's get it back again. A bit tricky, this. So if you take it and get it there, and then use the screw up button, and it is now screwed in, as you can see. It was that easy. Great gadget. It's got a lot of torque, and it's light, and it's really handy having this torch, and I can highly recommend it for anybody who plays around with computers or has to undo iPhones, etc., or laptops. There's a link in below where you can buy it, and can I ask you to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you very much.